a proud supporter of Operation Barbecue Relief.
Today on the show we're doing a really quick, fast recipe called Mongolian steak bites. I've got about 2 pounds of strip steak there I've already cut up, got them processed, ready to go. It starts with a really simple marinade. We have 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. And we'll just give it a mix so that brown sugar is all broke up. Once you pour the marinade in, go ahead and mix the meat up really good, just so you're evenly coated on all sides. Now you want to put this in the refrigerator for about 15, maybe 20 minutes. With the seasoning's getting really good. So we'll be back in a few. Okay, we've had these marinated for about 15 minutes now. So let's go and skewer them up. Now if you notice in the skewers, I got a butter knife on top of the bamboo skewers I'm using. Just helps to weigh them down so they stay submerged in water. Now before we get these on the grill, we're going to take some aluminum foil and make a grill shield. Anytime I'm cooking outdoors, I always prefer to use heavy-duty grill shield. It just stands up way better than the regular stuff. Alright, now before we throw these on, I've already got a second tray set up over here that's clean for the cooked kebabs. So let's get going. Now that we've got these on, we're going to come back and check on them in 2 or 3 minutes. Rotate them around the grill if we need to. So we'll check right back. Right, these aren't quite ready to flip over yet, but we are going to rotate them around the grill. Alright, these will be ready to flip in about 2 minutes. Now that we've got them flipped and rotated, they'll be ready in about 2 minutes. Being a strip steak, it's a nice tender cut of meat, so we're going to try not to overcook them. Oh yeah, probably had these on for about 5 minutes in all. These are ready to come off the grill. You definitely want to let these things cool for about 5 minutes before you serve them. And there we have it, grilled Mongolian steak bites. We do hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and please help support your local food bank. Today we're swatting mosquitoes. Lost my glove.
Lost your glove?
Yeah, I had a deli glove instead of these other ones just to mix it with. Now these are big. All right, now that we got these flipped on the grill, we're gonna give it 2 or 3 minutes and they should be good to go. Being a straight stick, being a straight stick, you definitely want the least. You definitely want to let these cool. Jeez. All right, there we have it, Mongolian steak bites.